Today's lesson is reading a story with the short sound. So, J and Jan and Pam, Jan and Pam. Here again is the title of the story, Jan and Pam, and illustrated by means the person who drew the pictures, Antoinette Sheffield. You don't need to know this, but it's just nice to know what do these things mean. And written by Trish Milet. This page here usually tells you who's published the books, the year it was published, and any other important information. So here we have our picture. Jan is a cat. Jan is a cat. Page 2. Jan is a fat cat. Jan is a fat cat. So we've been introduced to our first cat. It's Jan and it's a cat. Page 3. The cat sat. Can you see this sound? The cat sat. Jan sat on a bat. Here's a bat. Jan sat on a bat. That was page 5. Pam is a pal, pal of Jan. So here's the next character, Pam. And pal means a friend. Pam and the cat ran. So here's page 6, Pam and the cat ran. Jan has a pen and can. So here's Jan's pen and here's a can in it. Pam has a can of jam. Here's the can and it has jam in it. So these are pages 7 and 8. Page 9. Pam has a mat. A mat is like a small carpet. Pam has a mat. Jan and Pam sat on the mat. Jan sat on the lap of Pam. So here is your lap where someone sits on your legs. Jan sat on the lap of Pam. That's page 11. Page 12. Pam and the cat nap. That means nap means they are sleeping. So now we need to fill in the blanks. So Jan is a what? What is Jan? Jan sat on a, what did Jan sit on? Who has a mat? So someone has a mat. And that was on page 13. Page 14, we know that there were two characters, Jan, Pam. Jan was the cat, and we know he was fat. Then we know the words sat, b-at, bat, p-al, pal, r and ran, p and pan, f and fan, k and can, j and jam, m-at, mat, l-ap, lap, n-ap, nap. And is, the, on, of, has. Some of these are sight words and you haven't learned them yet. They don't follow with the short sound. For example, is, the, on, and of. But we'll be using them a lot, so you need to get used to seeing them and saying them, okay? This is, the, we use quite often, on, of. Okay, and the next page, we have page 15, and here is a very interesting thing which will be good for you to practice your numbers. So you will start at the number 1, and after 1 is 2, so you connect it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and you've connected the map of Ohio. And here's Ohio. It's a small state in the rest of America that they are showing you. And this is the flower that is quite common there. It's a scarlet carnation. The bird is a cardinal. This is the flag, and the tree is a buckeye. So again, practice your numbers. From 1, you connect the dots. 1, and practice writing them too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is a song. Jan has beans and Pam has jam on the mats at Jan and Pam. So you can practice it just to learn how to use the sounds. Hope you enjoyed the story and try to practice it daily.